In this video, I will show you how to get your WhatsApp link and share it with your friends or your family. The process is actually quite simple and it can be done on both your iPhone and also on your Android devices. If you have any question at the end of this video, remember to drop it in the comment section. I'm going to reply immediately once I see it. And do remember to like, share, and smash that subscribe button to stay connected because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Alright, let's get right to it. Simply open your WhatsApp and then start a conversation with whoever that you want to share your WhatsApp link with. So all you have to do is type wa.me. Then once you type that, add this sign. Then once you do that, then all you have to do is now add your phone number. But one thing to keep in mind is that always remember to add your country code after you add a plus. As for me, my country code is actually 234, or rather plus 234. So I'm going to be adding my number along with my country code real quick. So let me add that. So once you do this, immediately once you send it to the person, once anybody is to click on this link, they will automatically be directed to start a chat with you on WhatsApp. So that's how you can get your WhatsApp link easily. It's quite easy and it's quite simple. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate you guys for sticking to the end of this video, and please do remember to smash that subscribe button to stay connected because I post a lot of tips and tutorials on a daily basis. Also, towards the end of this video, you might start seeing some of my similar videos, or you might start seeing some of my playlists, so you can also take out time to watch that to learn more from my channel, because we learn every day. And that's it for that. I'll see you guys on my next video.